When I posted a video showing that my mango tree grown from seed had produced fruits in just 2 years, there was a lot of reactions from the viewers. They were of the view that it was not possible to get fruits from a mango tree so early, and my tree must have been a grafted tree. But it is really true that the mango tree can fruit in 2 to 4 years, if they have been grown from a polyembryonic seed and they do not need to be grafted. Many people think that all seeds contain just one plant embryo. But some mango and citrus seeds are polyembryonic. A polyembryonic seed contains multiple embryos, so produces more than one shoot, actually several shoots, one of which originates from fertilization. All the seedlings are clones of the mother tree, except one which originates from fertilization. The fertilized seedling is weak and should be discarded. In general, mangoes from the following tropical locations are polyembryonic: Burma, Cambodia, India, Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam.